Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another Commodore Vanderbilt conversion, and this one I haven't done anything to yet. This arrived, I don't know, a couple of months ago, something like that. I just haven't gotten around to doing anything to it. Found it on eBay for 12 bucks, and as you see, I've just used a piece of tape to cover the slot and the hole for the winding key. I put a single reduction motor in this, and don't know what I'm going to be doing with this one. But like I said, since I'm moving them all, I just thought I would throw them on the track and run them. This one's been sitting for months, since I got it, in fact. I put the electric motor into it, ran it for a while. It's been on the shelf ever since. But this runs really well, and it reinforces everything I've said about don't overlook the junk. If you want to get an inexpensive Commodore Vanderbilt, this is the way to do it. You don't have to spend a lot of money on a Commodore Vanderbilt. You can just get an old wind-up, and with a little bit of work or no work at all, you can just put the electric motor in it and not do anything to it at all. As you can see, this isn't in terrible condition, but it would look great if it was repainted. There's no damage to it. And as I pointed out before, the wind-ups do not have handrails, which makes it infinitely more easy to repaint them because you don't have to take anything off except the finials. And those are held on with tabs, and you just unbend them, pull them off, pull the marker off the front, primer it, paint it, and it is refinished. Now, like I said, to fill these the slot in the top and the hole in the side, I just use epoxy putty, just like Bondo. In fact, you could probably use Bondo. It would be a lot cheaper in the long run, probably. Anyway, it's really simple to get a wind-up that doesn't work, inexpensive. Take the crossbar off the wind-up motor, put it on an electric motor, drop it into the shell, and you have an electric Commodore Vanderbilt for 12 bucks. So this, like I said, this one runs really well. This has not run in, it's been at least months. So let's take it around and see how it does. Pulling 20 tin litho cars. And you can see that tape hides the hole in the side and the slot. So from 2 feet away, you cannot tell that this is or was a wind-up engine. It runs well. That's at 40% power right now. Runs nice and smooth, and it's a really inexpensive way to get a Commodore Vanderbilt. You don't have to spend a lot of money on it, and for just a few dollars and a bit of your time, you can refinish this and actually turn it into quite a nice custom engine. Really, really inexpensive to do this. And of course, that's the whole idea of this entire series, is that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get into running model trains. It's really, really inexpensive if you're willing to get your hands dirty and spend some time actually working on these things. Like I said, to refinish this, all you have to do is fill the slot and the hole in the side with epoxy putty, pull the finials off, respray it whatever color you want it to be, and reassemble it, and you have a really nice custom Commodore Vanderbilt, any color you want. Purple, yellow, red, green, blue. It doesn't make any difference. You can make it any color you want. And if you get tired of that color, you can always repaint it. It doesn't take long to do this. The nice thing about it, of course, is that it's going to look nice, it runs well, and it was cheap. That's the most important thing. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.